Guys, this is first legal video on this channel. The name of channel is Legal Eye. Today, for demo version or for understanding a better understanding in a better way of the legal aspect, or to know the method of my teaching with regard to the judicial law and judicial facts or judicial systems, I am just discussing one topic with regard to the CRPC 1973. You must be knowing that CRPC 1973 Act has been repealed and has been changed, and a new act, BNSS 2023, has been introduced. This BNSS Act has come into force in 2023, and since then we are following that. But unfortunately, the person who were engaged in legal system before the introduction of this BNSS law act, you might be getting little bit difficult to understand and to remember various sections or various provisions given therein. But no doubt, once you have mastered CRPC 1973 Act, ultimately you can also master this. So today's topic is trial for warrant cases and trial for summon cases. Before proceeding ahead, I would like to introduce that what is warrant case and what is summon case. Correct? So warrant case, with regard to the warrant case, you will find that there is a section 2, clause 1 and sub-clause Z, wherein the definition of warrant case has been given. However, the definition of summon case has been given in section 2, clause 1 and sub-clause X. Both the section have clearly defined warrant cases as well as summon cases. Correct. So you can go through that. I am just dealing with the differences between both the cases. I am not going in depth about the sections. I will be dealing separately each and every section or each and every chapter of this BNSS 2023. However, for your understanding, to understand my style of teaching, I am just putting this topic difference between trial of the warrant cases and summon cases. What is difference? First of all, trial of warrant cases has been dealt with in chapter 20, while trial of summon cases has been dealt with or dealt in chapter 2 to 21. Correct? So chapter 20 में trial for warrant cases has been given, and chapter 21 deal with trial for summon cases. Now, section starting from 261 to 273 are dealing with the provisions for trial of the warrant cases. Section 261 to 273, right? However, section 274 to 282 is dealing with the provision or with the proceeding or with the trial for summon cases. Okay, so chapter 20 and chapter 21. Now, definition, as I have already discussed, you can see by slowing or by going back this video. Third is the cases or the offense which is having the provision or which has the provision for the punishment of either 2 years in or upward, or the punishment of death or the punishment of life imprisonment will be handled under this. So any warrant cases, any offenses wherein there is a provision for the punishment of 2 or more years as imprisonment, or there is a death penalty, or there is a life imprisonment penalty, it means that those cases will be handled as per the procedure given in chapter 20, that is related to trial for the warrant cases. And apart from these cases, all other cases having the punishment provision up to 2 years of life of imprisonment will be handled as per trial for the summon cases. Next difference is In trial for the warrant cases, there is a provision to issue a summon. Okay. Similarly, another warrant can also be issued. It means that in the warrant cases, for the trial of the warrant cases, summon as well as warrant can be issued. However, in summon cases, during the trial, only summon is sent to the party concerned. Okay. Now, next point. In the warrant based case or the for trial for the warrant cases, there is a provision to drop the proceeding or trial proceeding at any stage if such warrant case has been instituted means commenced on the complaints other than the police report. If there is a complaint of the warrant cases or there is a case instituted or filed or initiated on the report of the police given by the police report concerned officers, it means that such case cannot be dropped at any stage. Correct? However, in some cases, there is a provision for withdrawal of the cases. If complaint is withdrawn, it means that the case can be withdrawn. Okay? Or there is a provision for dropping of the proceeding or dropping of the trial at any stage with the prior permission of the court. Correct? Next difference. In warrant cases, there is three kinds of impact or consequential or result. First, either it will be discharged, they will be accused will be discharged, or acquitted or convicted. Means three consequences will be observed in the trial of the warrant cases. Means judgment will come in respect to discharge. Discharge can be done in between the proceeding. However, acquittal and conviction is done with the judgment of the court. In some cases, there is two options. Either acquittal will be given or conviction will be given. There is no provision for discharge. If at any stage, if court court is observing or the court finds that this case does not have any significance or it is infructuous, then it can be stopped or it can be dropped. And that's why either there is a provision for acquittal or conviction in the trial of the summon cases. Next, significant and important point is that summon cases can be converted into warrant case if court thinks so or if deems fit so, provided that there is a provision for the imprisonment of minimum 6 months or higher. We already know now that there should be a provision up to imprisonment of 2 years for trial in summon cases. However, if there is a provision of 6 months or higher and court thinks that this case can be converted into warrant cases, then it can be converted. However, warrant cases or cannot be converted into summon cases. Okay, and that's why there is a provision in the warrant cases trial that the provision which has been enshrined or given in the trial of the warrant cases can also be applied during the trial of the summon cases. Okay, so these are the differences between warrant cases and summon cases for trial purpose. Hope it must have cleared your concept and idea, and similarly I will be providing each and every topic and every terminology and every important cases in coming videos. Okay guys, so keep watching and do not forget to like and share with your friends.